Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about the best AI text to video generator that you can use, and it's called Simplify. So simply go to simplify.com here, and once you go here you can see all the tools that you need. To here you have the AI video, AI design, you have your projects, social media AI, AI writer, and AI chatbot. So what you are interested in this video is the AI video, so basically a text or a prompt to video. Now, first of all, you need to sign in or sign up here. And once I've signed up here, I'm redirected to my main dashboard where I have all the apps, AI designer, AI video, AI writer, and everything. So we'll try the AI video here. So here I have the option to generate video with AI or browse templates or create a new video from scratch. So you can get the generate a full video with the like titles, the voiceover, the video, and everything. So let's click on generate with AI, and you can generate AI video clips, AI audio clips, subtitles, everything. So we'll try the AI script to video. And what is the video title? For example, let's say a cat in the forest. And for the video script, a cat walking in the forest. Just pretty simple and easy. However, if the description is too short, I can get the AI assistant to generate it for me. And now the script is complete. Now click next. Okay, the size, okay, and select AI speaker. AI speakers, okay, let's select Sally, the voice of Sally. And once you click on generate, your video will be generated based on the script and the title that you added.